I'm Doug Mcdonald, and I'm the founder of a new concept in building called the Pure House. When you have a high-performance house, the first thing you do is you orient the house towards the sun. You utilize the western, southern, and eastern exposures. The second thing you do is you make sure that you have continuous insulation all the way from underneath the foundation straight up to the top of the roof. The final step in having a high-performance house is making sure that there are no air leaks. When you have air leaks, you end up having moisture traveling through the walls, which gives you mold. If you look at the structure right here, you'll see that every single joint around a window, even the foundation touching the wood, is taped. This taping system happens on the inside of the structure and is completely continuous, going and traveling to the outside of the structure. What you see right here is a model of the same building structure that we use on the whole house. Inside of the Pure House, we also are including a Tesla plug. It is right inside the garage. We are such an efficient house. We are running 80 to 90% less energy inside this house. You do not have to overheat or overcool it. One of the things we do in the Pure House is we eliminate the need for a ridge vent. For a high performance envelope, we have continuous insulation and the roofs touch each other. There's no sense having a roof that has a hole on the top. This means that no bats, insects, no mice or mold can get into your envelope. Inside the house, we do not allow any materials that are on the Google Red List. They are a list of materials that are known carcinogens. We start out inside this high-performance envelope by filtering all the air that comes into it. The air exchanger does an amazing job exchanging temperatures so the air that comes into the space is preheated by the air that's leaving. The insulation that is in our walls is made from a common material that most likely you're wearing right now. I'm wearing it. It's blue jeans. The material is ground up blue jeans, and we put it right in the walls. When we started to create the Pure House, Growy is one of the manufacturers that we've become involved with. They have a new product line called Growy Zero. They do not allow to have lead added into the manufacturing. So what's nice about it is we go from copper pipes straight into faucets, and the faucets are all lead-free. That's important. I'm really excited to be in front of this movement called the Pure House movement, where we build a high-performance envelope with pure and natural interiors. It's very, very important to do for our children and for the next generations to come. We can build these houses in many, many different locations around this area. When you don't have to overheat and overcool something, you are more comfortable. It's also important in the future value of your house as an asset. As the building codes change and adapt, they are moving towards the houses like the Pure House. The codes that it will exist 10 years from now when your mortgage is up will be similar to the styles and the manufacturing ways in which we build this structure.